April 26th, 2022, and we're walking up through the part of the vineyard at the Los Lunes Agricultural Science Center for NMSU. In this vineyard are several different vines of different cultivars, but where we're at right now is in the Enchantment hybrid and the Opportunity hybrid, both of which were releases out of the University of Arkansas. These two hybrid varieties, the Enchantment is red, it's a Centaure variety, meaning the pulp is red, and the Opportunity is a white variety. So they're very close to vinifera, but they have enough American genetics in them to be more disease resistant and somewhat tolerant of the root louse phylloxera. So they're own rooted vines, there's no need for grafting at this juncture. In between the rows, you see we got a fairly good stand of the winter Camelina, and it's just now entering into a flowering stage. It was planted October 7th, 2021. So it's planted in the fall, typically in New Mexico, in the middle Rio Grande Valley, and overwinters and then flowers the next spring. It's a high value seed crop in some areas, used to make actually a fuel replacement type seed, oil seed. But it's not for that purpose here. It's just to provide cover over the winter and hopefully enhance pollinator habitat. You'll notice the red coloration at the base of the plants, and I suspect it has a phosphorus deficiency at this point, and that's why you get that red coloration. But again, we need to take soil samples and possibly a forage or tissue sample of the plant and verify this. The other thing to note, if you're going to put these cover crops in a vineyard situation, it doesn't have any effect on the grapevine. I think that's the first thing a grower is going to ask, besides the water and nutrient requirement of the cover crop itself. And I can't see where it's really doing anything that would be considered detrimental to the vines as far as delaying bud break. You can see the difference in cultivars, how much earlier this one is compared to that one in that next panel.
Oh, this one has leaves already.
Yeah, this one's out to about the 3 or 4 leaf stage in some cases, whereas we don't even have bud break over here. Oh, just now happening. You see it with right here. See some bud burst going on in this guy right there. Yeah.
Fall. There's a bee.